Hey friends, if you wish to use Bluetooth to transfer files between devices, then please watch this video. Now right click on the start button, select settings, go to Bluetooth and devices and make sure that your device is connected. Let's say that it wasn't connected. So I'll remove it for the time being. This is my phone. Okay. And then I will also make sure that Bluetooth is on my phone. Okay. And then I will click on add a device and then I'll click on Bluetooth. Now you can wait till it shows all the devices, but meanwhile you have to connect using your phone as well. Okay, so when that happens it will ask for pairing and then you can click on yes on both the devices. After verifying the number, it says connection succeeded, which means that it has succeeded. Now to transfer the file, simply right click on that file, select show more options, select send to Bluetooth device, select the Bluetooth device, click on next, and it will send it to that device, but it will ask for acceptance on that device. So you have to click on accept and the file will be transferred. It will mention file transfer, file successfully transferred. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.